This is a Godrej Scorpio. 14 pins, 3 rows, lock tools, multi-pick, 5 on the left, 5 on the right, and I probably just overset something already. 5 on the left, 5 on the right, 4 up top. As far as I know, it's unranked. I know Godrej has it's like the Godrej Ultra or something. It's a purple belt lock. I think it has the same core in it. I mean, it's not the most terrible lock to pick in the world. Pretty much not the easiest either, though. You know, anytime when you're dealing with a lot of pins. That's 3. I just dropped something. This is the way I have my tensioner. I don't have the most room in here, so I'm not switching picks to try to pick the top. I'm just using my dimple flag to do it. It's probably not the most effective way, but belt because we're supposed to overset it. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Oh. Crap. Alright, it's fine. We haven't lost it yet, I don't think. Alright. It's never what you want to happen, huh? Hold it again. I might have lost my progress. Yeah. Figures. That's 3, 4, 5. Every time I get a little tension off. Oh no, I got it. Nice. Nice. The fail actually ended up working out. I don't want to turn it any more than that because I don't want any of these pins to drop into the other chambers. But that's the Godrej Scorpio. So I mean, I'm sure everybody's seen this thing before, but if you haven't, that's what it looks like. And that's the key. You can see the 3 sides. And then instead of being like a regular shackle, it just pops up and does that.